Which are those pranayam that everyone has to do everyday routine? There were many questions from my previous videos and many other videos that you were asking that one should do how many pranayam. In today's class, we will cover these pranayam which everyone has to do in everyday routine to have an overall work with your body. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashanj Ji Yoga. Before we go forward, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe so you can get these kind of informative videos which you can really apply to your daily life to have complete life, energetical life, to have prosperous life. Understand what is required everyday routine. First, you need purification of 3 bodies. There are 5 types of bodies you have. First is the body which made by food body. That purification is important. So one pranayam you should have for that purification. This is first thing. Second body, which is Pranamaya kosh, pranic body, energy body. So you should have that body purification. So one pranayam you should do every day for that body. The third body you have mental body, Manomaya kosh. For pranayam for cleaning the mental body is also very important. And then if you have this 3 purification every day, you will see that you will be full of positivity. You will be full of purity and you can share this purity to others. So this class you will be learning purification practices for 3 body, and these are the 3 pranayam everyone should do. One more pranayam I will tell you which is required also to balance all these 3. So there are 4 pranayam together that you must do in each day life. So everyone there who are watching this video, learn this pranayam, practice every day and make a routine, make a pranic routine for yourself so that you will see how you can grow spiritually, how you can grow socially, you can grow financially, you can grow overall. Let's get ready, let's sit straight and we will start. So cross leg, hands will remain on your knees. One mudra you can do is, that is Adi Mudra, thumb will touch root of your small finger, make a fist. We will be practicing together with me. If you want to know these pranayam in details, I have already explained in few previous videos. You can go and check these videos. I will also mention these videos in description. The link will be there, so you can check also there. Those who want to join our regular classes, with my team, we have started online classes via Zoom. You can try these classes and you can make your routine, yogic routine. These classes will be 4 times a week with a different time slots. You can choose according to you and join and strengthen your spiritual practices. Now let's start the practice. First sit, straight back, close your eyes. Relax the entire body. The first practice that you should do for purification of physical body, that is Kapalabhati practice. You first everyone observe the entire body from head to toes and purify and stabilize your body. Each and every part of your body. Visualizing head to toes and toes to head. Make a Adi Mudra with the hands, thumb will touch root of your small finger, make fist, rest on your knees. Sit straight. Make sure that your buttocks are higher than your knees so the spine is straight. Now, the entire practice, please do not move. Now the first we will do Kapalabhati. Bring the entire attention to the navel center. And first few round breathing, navel out, navel in, navel out, with exhalation navel in. 5 to 7 times. First you prepare the navel area. Do not allow the navel to compress much. Let it be natural. We will practice 3 sets of Kapalabhati first. Each set 20 strokes. Get ready. Everyone together inhale. First complete exhale. Take short inhale and start. Now relax. After practicing this Kapalbhati forceful exhalation, some of you may notice that there's no required of any breath inside. Stay there. Observing the entire body, observing the state of your mind. Do not lost in pleasure of this silence. Continue for the second round. Short inhale. You will follow my pace and start. Now relax the entire body and observe the whole body from up to down. You will notice different sensations. Do not react, just observe. One more round. Short inhale and start. Now relax the entire body. Relax your breath. Stay for a couple of seconds and develop the stability of mind. Develop the stillness of the mind. Some of you may notice tingling sensations on legs, on fingers, sometimes on the top of the head. You just observe, do not react. Second pranic practice, energy channel purification, pranic body purification, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. First, you close the right nostril with the right hand thumb by bending the first two fingers, index and middle. Place it root of your thumb. Close the right nostril with the right hand thumb, and first you exhale through the left complete. Empty the lungs. Now start inhale through the left. Press other nostril and the right together. Hold your breath in your navel center complete. And store the pranic energy here. This is originated area of energy channel. Hold here. We will hold 20 seconds. Now exhale right side. Inhale again, right nostril. Now you hold 20 seconds by pressing both nostrils. Exhale left nostril. That is one cycle complete. 2 more rounds. If you have a time, you go for 5 in total. Otherwise, 3 rounds. We will do here 3 rounds together. Start. Once you complete, hands down, Adi Mudra again. And both nostrils simply deep inhale and deep exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. You again observe the entire body. Again observe the stillness of the mind. Do not react towards any sensation which is pleasurable or painful. You develop the stability of mind and grow spiritually. Third pranayama, for pranic expansion, Bhastrika pranayama. Bring the hands to the side of the chest, everyone. Forcefully you inhale, simultaneously you raise your arms and forcefully exhale, move your arms down. We will do only 5 rounds. First to complete exhale, everyone. Start, inhale. Exhale. Continue. Now relax here. Again make mudra with the hands and just stay still. Meditate on this silent state of your mind. One more rounds we will do here. Bhastrika. Open the mudra, hands close to the chest. Only 5 rounds. Start. Again, make mudra and stay still. Quiet. Now the last pranayama for pranic stability, Brahmari pranayama. Close your ear with the thumb, 5 rounds Brahmari. Place the hands on top, head. If you want Sanmukhi mudra, now the hands, first 2 fingers will close the eyes, 1 finger side of the nose, 1 is above the lips. And 5 rounds start with me. Inhale. Hands down. Again Ek Mudra. Now observe and listen the same sound which you just created mentally and meditate on it. Now after that, lie down with closed eyes and relax the entire body in Shavasana. And just observe and let this pranic energy nourish your entire body. So these were 4 pranayama practices that everyone should do every day for better results. These pranayams I have explained in detail, so if someone is new to this channel and watching this video at first time, you first go to previous videos and understand and learn these all pranayam in detail so that you will have a clear understanding how to perform them. And regularly, every day, for your energy work, for your much productivity, clear mind, clear vision, these all series of pranayam, very important. If you like this video, please share with others and help them to come to this yogic path. Help them to become spiritual. Help them to clean their self so that they can also grow spiritually. With such kind of videos, I will see you again. Till that, namaste. Take care.